Hi guys, today we're reviewing a gaming headset. So this particular one is from Turtle Beach. It's the Stealth 700 Gen 2. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. So this particular headset is compatible with a PS4, a PS5 and a PC. There is an Xbox version of this, identical to this. Obviously that's compatible with the Xbox and PC. I'll include links for that as well in the description, and both versions are identical. Now, a couple of things worth highlighting. It has Bluetooth 4.2 built in, so you can be gaming and take a call at the same time. It's glasses friendly, has 20 hours battery life and Superhuman Hearing built in. So we'll be unboxing this, seeing what the build quality is like of this, testing it out to see what the sound quality and mic quality is like. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. So I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging. Let me briefly go through them. So you get a quick start guide, which is multi-language. You get a card for support. So if you're having any issues with this, you can just reach out to them. You get a Turtle Beach sticker. You get a USB to Type-C cable. Good cable quality on this, and the length is 60 centimeters. You get a USB dongle to allow you to connect wirelessly to the headset. Coming onto the headphones, it's all plastic in build quality. Even the silver area you see on both sides here, they're plastic. And looking on the top, you can see Turtle Beach imprinted on there. And looking at the sides, you can see the Turtle Beach logo on each side there. Now, if I extend it out either side, it's aluminium either side on extending it. Looking on the left-hand side, headrest, you've got a master volume dial, you've got a mappable wheel here, you've got a mode button to cycle through the different equalizer audio presets, then you've got a power button, Bluetooth button, LED indicator and a Type-C charge port. Looking on the padding on both the ear cups, ample padding on there. You can see for yourself, very comfortable when you're wearing them. I've already tried them on and very nice, comfortable feel to them. The earpieces themselves can be pulled off on either side, and what that reveals is the glasses adjustment on this. Now, what this clip does, it allows you to adjust it so it's more comfortable when you're wearing glasses. So if I just get a small screwdriver here and we just pull it out, there you go, that's out. If I pull it now, just to show, see, it just recesses inwards slightly more. And the same's available on the other side, as you can see. Clip, you can just pull it in and it brings it inwards. Coming in close on the speakers on each earpiece, there are actually 50mm drivers on here, and you've got a mesh finish just to protect the driver. The headphones can be adjusted, so once you take them off, you can turn them sideways and rest them on your shoulders. Now, the earpiece here, you've got a microphone that can be brought out when it's in use, and you can mute it just by flipping it back up again. All plasticky here as well. There's no foam on this in any way. And looking in close, you can see the microphone holes just over here. General build quality wise, strong plastic all the way around on here. And in terms of padding, there's ample padding, which should be nice and comfortable for long periods of gaming. The headset weighs in at 453.59 grams and has one lithium polymer battery installed in there. In terms of controls, they're all on one ear cup. You can see there going all the way around, and then coming on this side, obviously the microphone's there. The other ear cup has nothing on there. Now, in terms of charging the headset, one end of the cable obviously goes into a USB point, which I plugged in there, and the Type-C connection goes into here. Now, the LED indicator serves as multi-purpose. So when it's solid red, that means it's charging. When it's breathing red, it means the battery's low. When it's breathing blue, it means the battery's full. When it's solid blue, it means the headset and the mini transmitter has paired up. If it's fast blinking, it means Bluetooth pairing. Solid white means Bluetooth paired. So a good visual indication. Clamping force wise, it is quite a tight fit on there, but with all the padding on either side plus the top, it does still feel very comfortable and not too bad for long periods of gaming. Now, in terms of connecting this up, just take the dongle and plug it into your PlayStation. See it there? It's gone red, the indicator on there. And now if you see, it's flashing blue. And next we just need to press the power button once on the headset.
Battery level high. Headset paired.
And there you go, as simple as that to get paired up. And as you heard, when you initially turn it on, it tells you the battery level, which is good. And as soon as it's paired up, you get a message saying that. So as you've seen, very simple to get up and running with the headset on a PlayStation. Now, in terms of controls, obviously you've got the controls over here, But you're not limited to just using these. You can configure it even more than this. So first of all, what I've done, I've connected to my mobile using Bluetooth, and that was just as simple as pressing the Bluetooth button here, enabling Bluetooth on my mobile and just pairing it up. Now coming over to the Play Store, I've installed an app called Turtle Beach Audio Hub. If I open that up, that gives you some additional options on there. Now, volume control wise, you can't adjust it here, but if I adjust it on here, you can see it changing as it's going along. Superhuman Hearing as well, you can turn it off from here, or you can adjust the level on here. Now with Superhuman Hearing, quite interesting how it works. So any low level frequencies, it will pick up and enhance for you. So if you're in a game, for instance, like Fortnite, you can see in the background, people walking around, noise around you, it all becomes enhanced. So you end up with Superhuman Hearing, simple as that. Now, looking down below that, then you've got game preset, signature sound. It's coming over here. You've got the different sound presets. Hold on to custom, you can go into edit and you can amend the settings and have your own custom one. It's a nice bit of functionality here, very granular. You've even got a mic monitor here. Swiping across, mic monitor level. If I click on that, you can change that. So this is the secondary volume control here. You can adjust what this one does. Coming down there, then you've got Superhuman Hearing. Got different options for that. Back again, noise gate on there. And then voice prompt levels, tone levels. Coming across, you can even do firmware updates from the app as well. And that's all the options you have available. So it's quite nice, you've got these options available, so you don't have to have it plugged into a PC, for instance, to change it. You can just do it as you're using it.
Now the next thing I want to demonstrate is the quality from the microphone on the headset. So what I've done, I've got my PlayStation running and my Xbox. I've joined a party on my Xbox from my PlayStation and I'm doing a capture on my Xbox. So you can actually hear the quality you can expect from the microphone on the headset. So what you're hearing, me speaking at the moment, is the sound quality the other person at the other end will be hearing. So I've had a listen myself and the quality is very impressive, nice and clear.
The headset does work with the PC, so you can see here I've plugged in the dongle and obviously turned on the headset, and within a second or two it's paired up, so it's simple as that to work. Functionality wise, obviously you still have the Bluetooth functionality available as well, so you can have a connection going to your phone as well. So as you're gaming or general usage on your PC, you can also take a call hands-free with the headset. Now in terms of battery life, it's 20 hours on average, but if you do run out, you'd have to charge it up. There's not a separate cable to keep you going. So some headsets which are wireless, they come with a separate cable we can plug directly into your controller and keep it going. You don't have that with this. So to keep this going, you've got to plug the charger in. Now, if you're at your PlayStation or your PC, and if you just plugged in the cable, that's not going to be enough. So you'd have to have the cable plugged in to charge it and have the dongle plugged in at the same time to continue using them. So in theory, you can plug this into a power brick. Next, let's measure sound levels from the headset. So I've got my sound level meter here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover one of the earpieces up, place my sound level meter on the other one and play music at maximum. So the PC is set up to be at maximum level, and I've used the app for the headset to set the equalizer settings to maximum as well, to give you an idea the sound levels achievable from this. .89 decibels from this. The sound levels are very high with zero distortion on it. So next, let's measure noise leakage from the headset. So I'll cover the headset with my hands, apply a little bit of pressure on there like you're wearing them, and then play music at maximum and see what the levels you get coming out of it. Now, the room levels without anything on are about 36 decibels, to give you an idea. So let's play some music now. Okay, got about 62 decibels. picked up from this one. So in terms of levels, it's very loud. So if there's people around you, it won't blank out the noise in any way. They can still hear it, so it's a subtle amount. It all depends on how loud you're playing it. Because the levels are high on this, you will hear quite a lot of noise leakage coming out of them. So next, let me demonstrate Superhuman Hearing. So I'm going to take the headset and I'm going to place my microphone within there so you can hear exactly what the sound quality and the difference is like with Superhuman Hearing on and off. I'll display some text so you can actually distinguish between each one, but when you hear it for yourself, it's blatantly obvious and it is pretty impressive. So there you go. I hope it's given people an indication of what to expect with Superhuman Hearing. It is really impressive how it works. In fact, you can hear all the low levels really clearly on this, and you can hear for yourself everything is enhanced. And if you don't like it, obviously, and you didn't want that enhancement, just turn it off. So nice bit of functionality there. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing, setup and review of this gaming headset from Turtle Beach. Build quality is good on this, nice and comfortable to wear even for long periods. What gives this the edge is the Superhuman Hearing on there. As you're gaming, I hope the demonstration I gave did give the headset justice. Low level sounds become very clear to you and you can hear a lot of things going on around you, which can give you that edge when you're gaming. Another thing I liked about this is the fact it had Bluetooth and it can connect to your phone. So if you did have a call while you were gaming, you can just answer it and just speak and game at the same time, which is a feature I really like because there's been instances I've had a call while gaming and it's just been a frustration to flip between the two. Negatives wise, it is a little bit bulky in size and clamping force is a little bit tight, but obviously the cushioning helps alleviate any sort of pressure from that. You've got all the controls on one side, which can be a little bit irritating when you are trying to make amendments. If you're not used to using it and you're new to it, obviously you're fiddling around trying to remember which one is which. The mic option at the side where you can flip it open and then to mute it, just flip it back again. I think that's a good feature to have as well. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of choosing these. Details are in description below, including purchasing links. Hang around for the end cards. I'll have some more gaming headsets. Drop me a like if you've liked this video and drop me a comment to let me know what you thought of this headset. Thanks for viewing and see you in the next one.